In this video, I will show you how you can use Waylay bots for troubleshooting of the wind turbines without actually need to use any other application. Just you can use the voice or typing. And before we continue, let me start with some test data. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to start sending data for 2 wind turbines. So this is what I'm doing here, T1 and T2. And I'm sending the measurements as the wind speed, power output, vibration, temperature, and RPMs. In Waylay, before I start with the demo, let me just show you what I have here. I'm ingesting data. This is a thing that we always do. We ingest data, like we see here for 2 turbines. And if I look at the T1, oh, I've done something wrong here. Let me just correct that. So I need the T1 here. I'm already creating a turbine number 3, but that was not my intention. Okay, that's the one that I was looking for. So here I have some data that I'm just sending right now. And well, I can also look at these things this way if you like, but I'm gonna show later on how I can do it differently. So here I'm using console to basically look at data without any aggregation. So for instance, we see now that we are sending data. And I have prepared one template that what we normally do here is that we are creating templates that are diagnosing a particular problem, in this case a wind turbine. And I can do a temperature check to see whether I'm above a given threshold. I can as well check the vibrations, whether they are above a given threshold, and also then look at the power outcome depending on the wind speed. So here I'm actually checking whether I'm getting the normal or underperformant wind turbine as well. And what we typically do then, again I'm showing you what we've done in the past, is that basically I can now start listening to the data streams and then use, if you like, in the classical sense, observation of these turbines, set up many diagnostic tests for each of these, and then let it run. But I'm not going to do it that way. So what I will do here, I'll see that in a second. Let me just put that one down. Is that I have created an app, rather a bot, through our environment as well, which is going to call different plugin endpoints, like getting the alarms, sending Slack messages, getting all metrics, and as well expose some of the diagnostic tests. Like here, I'm actually running the wind turbine test. And here I see what are the input measurements I need. And basically what I'm saying here, the data will come from the latest metrics. Find the right value and put it where it belongs to. That's all. That's all what I'm doing here. So let me now test how that stuff works end to end. This is where the real demo starts. Yeah? I can say something like, show me all wind turbines. Yeah? So this time, I believe now I have set up 2. In a case and stuff like that. Okay, so allow anybody. For the first turbine, show me all data for the past 2 hours. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just like, curious about what's happening there. And I would like to see data for the past 2 hours. Yeah, that's nothing more than that. Okay, so what we see here is the data that I've been shooting for the past 2 hours. That's it. The next thing I can do is to say, run diagnostic test for that turbine. Okay, I said he understood around rather than run, but this is it. Yeah. So this has happened, and it did the test based on the latest measurements, and it indeed generated a couple of alarms. And I can just say now something like, send all that info to the Slack using the channel bot. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to look at the bot. Here we go. There we are. That's it. That's how easy it was to run this use case. Thank you very much.